What's up, guys? Oh my god, it's so goobery. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be covering Maskne and everything I'm doing to prevent it and to correct it. So if you're interested, keep watching. And again, if you're new to the channel, my name is Stevie. I do 2 YouTube videos a week ranging from makeup, skincare, lifestyle, just what's going on in my life at the moment. So yes, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Now, let's get into the video. Okay, so first step, make sure you have a good cleanser. So what's important with this step is that you don't want it to be too harsh because obviously I'm going to be putting on some acne products, so I don't want this to totally like destroy my face. So this is important if you're at the gym and when you're done with your workout, wash your face, even if it's in the gym like bathroom, even if you use like the body wash or the hand soap that they have just to clean off your face from your mask. That's going to be very helpful. Second off is how often you're cleansing. You don't want to over cleanse your skin, but you also don't want to leave the bacteria from your mask on your skin after you're like sweating, or like I've been working like an 8-hour shift and it is moist underneath this thing, which is totally gross, the terrible word, but it is a bacteria palace, okay? Okay, so now that we've talked about cleanser, just getting a gentle foaming cleanser, the next step, which is the most important one, is getting this Acne Control Clarifying Mask. So this is from Murad. This wants to focus. Okay, this is a sulfur mask, so it's really gonna help everything come to the surface and clean everything out. So I am using this probably like 3 times a week right now, which is like kind of the max that they recommend. But I've used this for my acne forever, but I'm just upping how often I'm using it. And I also got one of these Kala little silicone applicators, and I'm loving this. So I'll do a little demonstration a little bit, but I just want to talk about that. And then another thing that's important is when you're doing your skincare is to have a nice like barrier cream. So like a really thick cream that's gonna separate your skin from your makeup and therefore from your mask. So I'm using this one, this tiger grass cream. It also helps with redness and like irritation because I have pretty sensitive skin. I have sensitive skin, so wearing the mask, it's just bugging, and I can tell that I have like irritation over here, just bumps, not necessarily huge zits, but just bumps. So just having bumps, so this is really gonna help that as well. I actually got this at Marshall's for $19.99, so that's awesome. So now that I've talked about those products, let's get into the tutorial for Maskne. The most important part is definitely going to be washing your face and keeping your skin clean. That's going to be definitely the major key in this. Also, not touching your face when it's underneath the mask, and I know that's difficult because I have a hard time with it as well, but just trying to keep that as clean as possible. So make sure you're washing your face if you're really sweaty, and also try not to wear makeup underneath your mask. So right here, I am washing my face before I put the mask on. You are supposed to do that. If you don't know, now you know. Okay, the second most important part is going to be making sure you're using some type of sulfur mask on your face, because it's really going to help clear your pores and get rid of any gunk that's left over or that accumulated underneath your mask. Okay, so after we have washed and done all the mask, we are going to start in with a benzoyl peroxide treatment. So this one is 2.5%, and if you watch my acne video, then you'll know that I only use the 2.5%. There, you will find like this Neutrogena on the spot one that it compares to is 10%. That's way too much. That will make your skin peel like a mofo. So you don't want to use that. I literally just ran out of mine, so I got a new one. It's just a mini, it's perfect. I'll show you my last one. And this lasted me Probably 8 months. So for a couple bucks, totally worth it. So this is where I'm gonna go in and just literally place it all in this general area. And I do it like that instead of like a spot treatment because it's what I did with my acne. And that's how I got rid of my cystic acne. So this acne from the Maskne is not cystic acne for me. So this is just a little irritation bumps. I've got one here, kind of just like rubbing against on the side of my face. So that's why I'm gonna use this. The 2.5% does the same as the 10% without making your skin peel like crazy. So highly recommend this stuff. Again, it's at Target, it's the Up and Up brand. And this is something that I'll be carrying with me in my bag. So when I'm at the gym and I get done, wash my face off, even with the body wash, whatever. And then I'll go ahead and put a little bit of this on my face because I do not want to get maskne and my skin's already irritated from wearing the mask and all that. And you do have to be careful with this stuff if you're not used to it. Use it gently, don't go crazy with it. Your skin builds a tolerance to it and then it allows it to work, if that makes sense. So because I've used this before, or I've used it for a couple years now, I know that my skin is working. So I'm just gonna take like this much, kind of just go over this general region. So I kind of spot it and then I'll just kind of blend it out. And again, this is a couple bucks at your Target. Make sure you get the 2.5%, not the 10%. So I'm just gonna go over any bumps that I feel on my face. And on camera, it doesn't look terrible, but to me in person, I can just tell that like my skin's not normal, you know? Working with a mask on your face, good, not the best thing for your skin just to be in that hot breath environment. Ooh. But yeah, I'm just gonna put that on. So after you use your benzoyl peroxide, you're gonna wanna put on a good moisturizer because this is pretty dehydrating to the skin. And again, I'm just gonna be using my Cicapair Tiger Grass Cream. And you know what, I'm also gonna put on some hyaluronic acid to my face as well. I'm putting on hyaluronic acid because of the mask that I did. My skin is gonna be pretty dehydrated. Because I did put on, it's a sulfur clay mask, so it's really gonna kill and drug everything out of you. I wanna make sure I put that on. And I am gonna wash my hair tomorrow morning, so I'm not worried if I get it back in my hairline too. And after I do that, I'll put a little bit on of the Tiger Grass Cream. Just a smidge like that, not too much. Really work it in your hands and pat it in your face. Almost like you're just slapping your face. All right, so that is the steps that I'm using to combat this maskne that is obviously happening because you're wearing a mask. So, rule number 1, or that I'm following, make sure you're switching out your mask frequently. I'm just started following this rule. I literally just washed my mask for the first time the other day. Nasty, but I've had probably 10 masks so far. So I finally cleaned them, they smell amazing. Second off, make sure you're frequently cleansing your face if you're wearing them, working out, working in general. Make sure you're not wearing makeup underneath your mask. I wear makeup underneath my mask, but that's because I go out after my mask and, you know, whatever. But cleansing your face, have a sulfur mask. This one's my absolute favorite. I've had it for 2 years now and I'm just getting to the bottom of it. And a little silicone applicator. Got this at Ross, $3.99. I got 2 of them, so love that. And then final, make sure you have a salicylic acid or benzoyl peroxide treatment that you're putting on your face. There also is a couple of salicylic acid sprays from Dermalogica. It's like the Clean Step Toner. You can spray that on your mask as well. I'll link some below. But you just want to make sure that you're killing any bacteria, acne-causing bacteria that's gonna be in your mask. So keep your face clean, keep your hands clean, and don't touch your face. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one.